Today, we talk about how to hollow and dig the hole for your model. Some models are too heavy to stick on the platform, so you need to make them hollow and dig holes to reduce their weight. Here is a model with a heavy body. If you print it as a solid one, it's going to fall out from the build plate because of the excessive gravity, which will waste your resin and ruin the prints. At first, you click the function option of hollowing. The initial setting of wall thickness is 6 mm. You maybe try this to hollow. The hollow progress will show the wall thickness directly and you can see the inside construction meanwhile. The process is slow. If you don't want this video, you can click out Hollowing Process Animation to remove it. Click Add a hole. Then the software show the fault. 6 mm is too thick to dig the hole. You need to change it to 2.00 mm. Start it. The slicing software will show the process of hollow. The process is slow. If you don't want this video, you can click out Hollowing Process Animation to remove it. After hollowed, you click the dig hole. You can choose the shape of the hole. The best choice is a circle. Size is set for 2.00 mm. Depth is 6.00 mm. Choose the position closest to the printing platform to dig holes without affecting the appearance. Dig different places for different models and add 2 to 5 holes according to your need. Usually, the software places the cylinder dogging out beside your model automatically. You need to delete the cylinder before adding support. If you don't want it, you can click out Keep the hole to remove the cylinder automatically, avoiding you forgetting to delete it and then print the cylinder. Choose the position closest to the printing platform to dig holes without affecting the appearance. Dig different places for different models and add 2 to 5 holes according to your need. The model we printed is perfect. We have dug 3 holes for this model. So you don't need to worry the holes affect the model's appearance. The process of hollowing and digging holes is completely finished.